In next few minutes you will learn how to install Termux, set it up properly and create your first Python project right on your phone. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are starting an exciting journey. Turn your mobile phone into a mini Linux machine. In this video we will download and install Termux, set it up properly and create your very first Python Hello World project. Let's get started. Before we install, let's quickly understand why Termux. Think of Termux as a powerful terminal that brings a Linux environment on your Android phone. With Termux, you can run in Python scripts, build backend apps using Node.js, work with databases like MySQL or any SQL database like MariaDB or any other. Compile your programs in C or C++, use Git, SSH and many other developer tools. Basically, your phone becomes a portable coding machine. Whether you are a beginner or advanced developer, Termux gives you real developmental power right on your phone. I am currently on the GitHub page of Termux, which is the official source. You can download Termux from 3 places. The Play Store version is outdated and not frequently maintained because there are many limitations and policy guidelines on Play Store that you have to follow, which make it harder to maintain apps like Termux. So you can download it from F-Droid. F-Droid is a trusted open source app store where you can get the latest and stable version of Termux. You can also download the APK directly from GitHub. So on the first launch, Termux will download bootstrap packages, and then you have to run this command pkg update and pkg upgrade to update all the system packages. Then we can download basic tools, run pkg install Nano. It will download a text editor for the Termux and run pkg install Python, which will install Python. You can skip this part if you are not interested in Python. So as of our first project, we will create a simple Python app. To keep your files organized, you might want to create a folder. So here run mkdir space the folder name you want to create, and then type cd space the folder name you created. Now you are in the folder you just created, and here let me create another folder. And now we might want to create a file where we can actually place our code. So run nano and file name. This is our file, and here we will type our code. After you are done writing your code, press Ctrl X, click Y and enter. Your file is saved. Now type Python space your file name. It is giving us this error because I have misspelled the print on the third line. So we will reopen the file using this command nano and then file name, and go back to where the spelling is wrong, correct it, then Ctrl X, click Y to save, enter, and our file is saved. Let me clear the terminal to show you. this is our script in action, and let's exit from here. Editing files using Nano is a headache. There is a must-have app for Termux users. You can download it from Play Store. It is called Accord or Accord, whatever you call it. Open the app, allow permissions, and click on Open Folder. Here, add a storage. Click on Select Folder. Then from Options, select Termux. Click on Use this folder, allow. Give it a name that you can recognize, and here we have the Termux folder. Here we have all the files that we created in the Termux. For example, this is our script. We can edit it from right here and save it. It makes editing files 100 times easier. So that's it for the day. In next video we might create a Node project, JavaScript something. Who knows? Stick with us to find out what we do in our next video.